Raspberry. Now repeat after me. Raspberry. Raspberry. Meaning, a raspberry is a small, soft fruit made up of tiny red or black drupelets. It has a sweet yet tangy flavor and is often eaten fresh, used in desserts, or made into jams. In a sentence, she picked a fresh raspberry from the bush and enjoyed its sweet taste. Here, raspberry refers to the fruit she picked and ate. Let's try another example. The tartness of the raspberry added a delightful contrast to the creamy cheesecake. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using raspberry. Synonyms. Some related terms for raspberry are berry, a small, juicy fruit like raspberries or blackberries. Rubus, the scientific genus name for raspberries. Antonyms. The opposite of raspberry would be none. As raspberry is a specific fruit, it doesn't have a direct opposite. Part of speech. Raspberry is a noun, referring to a type of small, soft fruit that is sweet and tangy. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.